Do you love the look and open feel of a barndominium? Before you decide to build one, there are a few reasons you may want to consider a traditional stick-built home instead. Barndominiums have definitely become popular, especially if you like that modern farmhouse look and big open spaces. But a stick-built home can give you many of those same features with some important long-term advantages. First, financing and insurance can be more straightforward. Because stick-built homes are a traditional residential construction type, lenders and insurance companies are generally more familiar with them. You also have a lot of flexibility when it comes to design. Open concept living areas, large kitchens, high ceilings, big porches, farmhouse exteriors. You don't have to build a barndominium to get that look. And if resale is important down the road, a traditional stick-built home may appeal to a wider range of buyers. A great example is our Wildwood floor plan. It has that spacious, modern farmhouse feel that people love about barndominiums, but it's built using traditional stick-built construction. So if you love the barndo style but aren't sure a barndominium is right for you, check out the Wildwood. You may be able to get the look and space you want with the advantages of a traditional site-built home. Start today at ubh.com.